Hi guys, today I'll be showing you guys how to do a look from a classic children's book, Backyard Stripes. Personally, when I was little, I used to love this book, so it kind of brings back some childhood nostalgia. Now that that's out the way, let's get into the makeup look.
Hey guys, we'll be starting off with wiping our eyebrows with the alcohol wipe. Then we will be starting off with some red cream makeup. When putting on the red makeup, you'll want to make sure you're getting the lines in a curved motion. It takes a while to get the lines right, but practice makes perfect. Some of the makeup might get in your hair, but you can remove it just as easily. After we're done with the red, we'll be going in with the yellow from the Erythea palette. Now I'm cleaning up the edges with a damp Q-tip. Make sure to carve out the eyebrows. I'm now setting the yellow with a makeup sponge. Afterwards, we'll be going into the next section with green. The same steps apply to this section, except for slightly closing your eyelids for an easier blend. Multiple layers would have to be done, especially on the eyelids and under the eyes. We're going to blend and be going to our next step with the blue. For the blue, it will be more of a curved motion, like an upside down mountain. Be careful not to get the blue mixed in with the green. Now I'm setting the blue with a sponge like I did for all the other sections. Now we're on to orange. After the orange, we'll be going in with the purple. And now we're going down the neck with the purple, making sure to blend the purple as far as you can down your neck. I'm going back in with the yellow, red, and blue right after. After evenly blending all of the sections, we're going to be taking some baby powder and a fluffy makeup brush to set everything into place. A tip is to get baby powder onto a brush and lightly coat it on top of your makeup. Another tip is to lightly tap the powder onto your makeup instead of swiping. After letting the baby powder sit for 5 to 10 minutes, we're going to start swiping the excess powder with either the same makeup brush or a different makeup brush. This time you can swipe with the makeup brush to remove excess powder. Now we're going to be adding some green eyeshell shimmer onto the lid. After that, we're going to be using a spoolie and an eyebrow tint to bring back definition back into the brows. A tip is to sway the spoolie in different directions. What we're going to be using next is mascara to blend in with the false lashes. We'll be getting our false lashes and letting them get tacky with the glue before applying. For the under eyes, we'll be putting white eyeliner to make them pop with boldness. Now we're just going to add some highlighter around the nose bridge and corneas for a slight glow. The next step is getting a makeup wipe and wiping off the makeup from your lips. The last step for this video is to add a pop of clear lip gloss.
I'm gonna go change and put my outfit on, and I'll be right back. Hi guys, I'm back. So I put on a different outfit to match more of the theme of the look, and I put a bow in my hair and did a little curl in the front. So yeah, I'm really happy with this look. If you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.